Hello, my name is Trenton Peterson and welcome back to more Cooking with Trenton, episode 3. Today we're going to make some brownies. The ingredients to make brownies, you need some brownie mix, 3 tablespoons of water, 2/3 of a cup of vegetable oil, and 2 eggs. The first thing you need to do is turn on your oven to 325 degrees. And then you grab a bowl and you grab your brownie mix and pour it into a bowl. Then you grab your 3 tablespoons of water and then pour it into your bowl. When the water is all poured in, grab your vegetable oil and then carefully pour it in. When you got your oil in there, grab your eggs. And then grab your spoon and then mix it up really well. Once your batter is mixed, pour it into a greased pan. Once it's poured in, spread the batter evenly. Once the oven reaches temperature, you put your brownies inside and set the timer. When the timer goes off, remove the brownies from your oven, then stick a toothpick in the middle. When the toothpick comes out clean, that means they're ready. Clean. Let them cool down for a while, then enjoy. Thanks for watching Cooking with Trenton. I'll see you next time.